I'm not letting you get drunk. I do not like using fake lime juice. See, we need an ounce of grenadine, which I have. Not the roses crap, okay? I'm serious, that crap is crap. And we're gonna take 1 ounce of grenadine and drop it right in. Look at that, oh, you know what I'm talking about. We're gonna take some of our ice, which might even be right here. Nope. I forget what they call it. I think they might call it a Wolfsden bag. And I'll tell you about this. I need a solid surface, but you take big cubes, put it in this bag. You take your mallet. The reason why you put it in a canvas bag is so that it wicks the water away so that the crushed ice is not wet. It's actually dry when you put it into the glass. You'll see that's all crushed. Take this, use a scoop, of course. My scoop is my hand right now. Pop that in there, and we're gonna pour this into our shaker tin. We're gonna find our top to our shaker tin. Then we'll grab our Hawthorne strainer. We'll take two 2-inch cubes if we have them. Got one more in here. Our mallet, where'd the mallet go?
Where did the mallet go?
Got it! And we do that. Perfect. This is the best channel ever. Here we go, TikTok. This is gonna be the best. What drink are we making? Naglerator. That's right. Enjoy these Naglerators.
Thank you.
Love it. Cheers to you. You're the best. Let's see.